Welcome! In front of me I have Emporio Armani Connected, and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the crown button and keep holding it until you see the Emporio Armani logo on the screen. So let's press and hold it, keep holding it. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds basically. So keep holding it. And once you see the Emporio Armani logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done rebooting into a system. As you can see, we're back into a system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.